What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. We got the two cars right here. You saw in the last video we did the steering wheel Alcantara in this one. It was like 800 bucks. They take that steering wheel off, like all the material, and then they put Alcantara, stitch it with whatever you want. Look up steering wheel art, Scottsdale. They did that. They do it all over the country. And I want to do another mod. I don't know if I want to tune it and do all that weird stuff to it. This is a Porsche. It needs to be more classy. So we'll do a straight pipe exhaust on this thing. It'll be nice, fully straight piped headers, and then the catless downpipes. They call them cat bypass on the 911s. It's a very short exhaust. It goes from, like, let's see, here is the cat, and then it goes that way and out. And they say the muffler of this exhaust system in the GTS is really good. When you open, close the flaps, it goes directly, no BS like this one where it's like 30% open only or something like that when you open the flaps. Finally got registration too right here. After a month, we're legal. And I'll do a full review of this to kind of compare it to the M4. And speaking about the M4, we still have it for sale, but it's like a 50-50 sale. It's like if someone wants to pay me the $95,000 or $100,000 with the mods, I'm down to sell it to grow my business a little more and make more money for a cooler car. But I'm also open to just keeping it, do more stuff to it, which as I have it for sale, I also did a JB4 and fixed my front sensor. Let me show you guys. So we got the front bumper here. Very close parking when you get through here. I did hit this cabinet with the 911, but it's all good. It just bounces. But this sensor here, right here, the circle, a big rock chip hit it and just destroyed it. And when it hits that thing, all the sensors are off on the car. So you don't have any more aid when you're parking. So when I parked here one time, I almost hit it as well, just like the 911. But I stopped it right, like maybe there was this much room left. Thankfully I didn't hit it. But here's this thing. I still have the new tape everywhere. Never took it off. If you want to see me take them off, comment down below. But I really want to show you guys how the JB4 performs. I drove it a little bit since I did the JB4 map 1. I'll give you my thoughts on that, and then I'll do a draggies test to see how much faster it is. But they say like 70 horsepower extra or something. And then in that same video, I think we're just gonna go straight to the E85 station and get an E30 mix. Go to map, whatever it is, and then have like 650 wheel. So that'd be really fun. Since I did the JB4, I also makes more fun driving this car. So that makes me want to sell it less. It does feel a little bulkier driving it than the 911. But you can kind of tell too, it's big difference in sizing. You have this and then that. It's just wider, taller, everything. Just big. This is what it hit on the cabinet. This was here before, but basically just hits this, which I have to replace anyways. It's a cheap part. They do that on purpose. This is kind of a quick little update. Let me know what you guys think. Which one's better? What mods do each deserve? And what would be a cool replacement for this? I'm thinking like a V10 2017 and up, dual clutch. or replace both GT3 RS. That'd be sick, but that's in the future. But thank you guys so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button to see car stuff. If you're a car guy, a true car guy, you would subscribe to this channel. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.